Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is November 15th, 2024, and we're diving into Sachem Capital's latest earnings report for the third quarter of 2024. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Sachem Capital, a real estate lender, has just released its Q3 2024 results, and there's a lot to unpack, from revenue figures to strategic initiatives.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Sachem Capital reported quarterly revenues of $14.8 million, a decrease from $17.8 million in the same quarter last year. John, what are the key factors behind this decline?
The decline in revenue is primarily due to a reduction in interest income, which fell to $11.4 million from $14.3 million last year. This was largely because of fewer loans being originated, modified, or extended. Additionally, fee income from loans also saw a significant drop of about 23.9%.
Despite the revenue drop, the EPS came in at 13 cents, beating the forecast of 9 cents. How did they manage this?
Indeed, the EPS beat expectations, but it's important to note that the company reported a net loss of $6.1 million. The larger provision for credit losses and decreased interest and fee income were significant contributors to this loss.
Strategic initiatives and balance sheet adjustments. John, Sachem Capital has been making some strategic moves. Can you tell us more about their recent initiatives?
Absolutely. The company has been diversifying its business model, notably with an additional investment in Sachem Capital. They've also initiated the sale of non-performing mortgages, which is expected to strengthen their balance sheet and allow for capital redeployment in 2025.
How has this affected their balance sheet?
As of September 30th, 2024, total assets were $555.5 million, down from $625.5 million at the end of 2023. This reflects reductions in their mortgage loan portfolio and investment securities, offset by increases in partnership investments and real estate owned.
Dividend policy and future outlook. Let's talk about dividends. Sachem Capital declared a quarterly dividend of 0.05 cents per share. How does this fit into their overall strategy?
The dividend declaration aligns with their status as a real estate investment trust, REIT, which requires them to distribute a minimum of 90% of taxable income. This move is part of their strategy to unlock value for shareholders while maintaining their REIT status.
What can investors expect from Sachem Capital moving forward?
The company is focused on building its lending platform and increasing dividends. Despite the challenging macroeconomic environment, they are positioning themselves for future growth by leveraging their expertise in managing market cycles.
Key takeaways. In summary, Sachem Capital has faced some challenges this quarter with a decrease in revenue and a net loss. However, they have managed to beat EPS expectations and are taking strategic steps to strengthen their position. John, any final thoughts?
Sachem Capital is navigating a tough environment, but is making strategic moves to ensure long-term growth. Investors should keep an eye on their ability to execute these plans effectively.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Sachem Capital's performance in the comments below.